Guys, welcome back to another episode with Allthingzamy, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow your girl on Instagram, baby. So today we are getting to this wig, child. Let me go ahead and just give y'all the tea on this wig, okay? So let me just let you guys know, I would never ever do this hairstyle again, simply because Crimps took too long, y'all. Like, this shit took mad long, and I'm not doing this no more. I do not see how stylists do this hairstyle. Like, it's a no for me. Like, now don't get me wrong, the style, the outcome was phenomenal, but the process, baby, baby, I'm gonna have to pay somebody to do this for me, because I'm not doing this again, okay? So I'm just going to comb the hair out first, and then the products I'm going to use is Turn Up the Heat Spray by Beyond the Zone, my Fantasia Spritz Spray, my The Essence Essential Spritz Spray too. It's like some strong hold, really. So how I did my crimps starting off, you guys are going to see me section off. Honestly, you got to section your hair off, but you're going to see me kind of do the brick method. So you see how I just put the two up on the ends up, and then I started in the middle. The reason why I did this was because this is going to create like a brick layered look instead of like stacking the crimps on top of each other, because when the wind blows, you're like gonna see through the wig. So when you do it the brick method, it's really just gonna like do like a, you know, every other crimp, you know what I mean? Like you guys will kind of see it as I do it, but like I start in oddly different sections so they won't lay on top of each other, if you get what I mean. Like, just watch the video, you'll see it. So anyway, I'm already starting. So what I used first was my Fantasia Spritz Spray, and then I used the Design Essentials Spray, and I combed it so the spray won't be like stuck on it, like actually like moisturize into the hair, like, you know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean, girl. Like, so it won't just be sitting on top of the hair, it'll actually be in the hair. You know what I mean? I think y'all know what I'm talking about. But I'm just gonna stop talking so you guys can actually watch what I'm doing. So, yeah. Again, you see how I'm doing it every other, right? So now, again, I'm going back over so I can tell you guys what I'm doing. So I spray both sprays, and then I crimp. I hold for like 5. Ooh, child, I don't know. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna say I hold it for 5 seconds, because I know doggone well I don't hold it for 5 seconds. But just know you gonna hold it on there for a little minute. And baby, I'm gonna be changing hands throughout this process, baby. Like, this took 3 hours, y'all. Like, 3 hours. What hairstyle you know take 3 hours? This one. Like I said, never again. Okay, so right here, you guys see me doing another section. So you will really see the brick method once I kind of like lay the hair down and kind of figure out my sections I'm going with. But right here is where I'm going to show you exactly how I do the brick method. I kind of didn't speed this up so fast because I want you guys to see what I'm actually doing. Also too, like another reason why I comb the hair when I spray, after I spray the 2 sprays on, it like makes the crimp uniform, and it doesn't create flyaways or, you know, static or anything. It's literally like I'm putting on some silk serum and it's like melting into the hair. So like after I finish crimping, it will stay in place. And y'all, this hair, like, this was for my birthday. So this was back in May, and it's actually June 18th, and I still have crimps in the hairstyle. This trick and this method will make sure you have crimps that last so long. I'm not lying. Okay, so we are now, 3 hours later, we're at the top of my wig head, and so I'm just showing you close up to how beautiful the crimps are becoming, you guys. Like, when I show you guys my hairstyle for my birthday, you're gonna be like, oh my god, that was so freaking pretty. And as you guys can tell right here, it was like everything. Like, after those 3 hours, I was actually kind of happy and excited that I did this hairstyle. Like, I'm not gonna lie, but like I said, I would never do this again. Like, this was a one-time thing for me, and I meant that, because it's just a no for me. Like, I just can't do it. Also, I'm going to take my hot comb now, and I'm just kind of like, yes, I did the brick method, okay? But I'm also using the hot comb because it's going to kind of melt the crimps together to make it look like it's one. So it won't leave like spacey spaces in the wig. So, because you know I'm doing section by section. So when I do use the hot comb, it's going to melt and make the crimps uniform to where you won't see the tracks or anything in the wig. After I was finished with the wig, you could not see no tracks or anything. So highly recommend using a hot comb with this part, simply because like you don't want to see no tracks when the wind blows. And right here I'm just using the hot comb furthermore. And also, after I'm done using the crimps on each section, I used Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat spray to give it some extra shine, and so it won't create any flyaways or like, you know, some extra static or anything with the hair. So, and this actually, I'm telling you, this method really did like last, and it made it so beautiful and so shiny and silky. And I'm just happy with the turnout that it came with. So I'm just gonna let you guys finish watching this video. And 3 hours later, your girl is crimp style queen. You see it. It came out so beautiful, y'all. Like, excuse the background of my room, but yeah. But I love this look. It looks so good on me. Like, look at the bust style. Like, look at that. It's shiny, it's silky. And I did comb it out a little bit with my hands, not with a comb or a brush. You will be highly disappointed if you do that. But yes, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this process of crimps. And if you guys want to see more hair tutorials, please comment down in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow your girl on Instagram, baby. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Mwah! Bye, y'all.